yesterday, the way would ever be this way. I never thought that it would change, but now I finally realize that what we had was no disguise when I look into your eyes. 'Cause things can only get better if we try to stick together. We're all together, and I wouldn't want it any other way. Right now, we're all together, and there's nothing else that matters anyway. Now we are together again. I know we see in different ways, I know we'll never be the same. That's okay. Don't wanna search for something new. Now after all that we've been through, I don't know any other